In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger notification not showing or Messenger notification not working problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, update your Messenger app to latest version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, tap on Notification, allow Messenger notification. Now tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, clear cache. Now scroll down. Now tap on Battery. Now tap on Unrestricted. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger notification not showing or Messenger notification not working problem.